Everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to share with you some excellent resources that I have found on Common Sense Education, which is part of the Common Sense Suite. This whole website is dedicated to sharing resources to help teachers learn about and teach digital and information literacy. I like this tool because it has complete lesson plans that can be easily integrated for classroom use and professional development resources for your own use as a teacher. These resources that I'm going to show you today will be extremely helpful in strengthening your information literacy skills and bringing these concepts back to your classroom. If you have not done so, please make an account on Common Sense Education. These accounts are free to create and may be done so by clicking on the Sign Me Up tab in the top right corner of your screen. It would be right here if I wasn't already logged in. Once you have done so and logged in, please make sure you are on the For Educators tab. There's so much to see on Common Sense Education, and I encourage you all to click around at your own pace. I do want to highlight a few things that I want everyone to see. The first is the Professional Development and Advice tab. There are some excellent webinars for teachers to view on this page. You could RSVP for an upcoming webinar and view it live, like this one, Educators in Social Media, Avoiding the Pitfalls, or you can watch previous webinars from their webinar archive at your own pace. Another resource I would like everyone to be aware of is under the Digital Citizenship tab. Over here on Resources, you can see everything from classroom posters to case studies. I really like the toolkits by topic. Here, you'll find toolkits organized by subject and grade level with lesson plans and other websites to use in classrooms when talking about information literacy. For instance, Beyond Fake News, a news and media literacy toolkit for educators. We click on grades 9 to 12. We have all different topics and full lessons, infographics, quizzes, handouts, and more to teach about the topic. So now that you have an idea of what is on Common Sense Education, let's do a quick search. I know that evaluating sources is a big topic in a lot of classes right now, so I'm going to search evaluating sources. There's a few ways we can filter the search, and that depends on what you're looking for. Let's say I'm looking for a lesson plan. And I want to do this for English language arts for 9th graders. Suddenly I have all these different resources that I can use for my lesson. So let's click on Evaluating Websites by Kimberly N. You can see here that she has the learning objectives for the lesson and notes for teachers and students. The great thing about this resource is that Kimberly has already done all of the work for you. She has linked YouTube videos to show during class, has the student and teacher instructions here, and has even created worksheets and slides for the lesson. Of course, since Common Sense Education is an open educational resource, you may also adapt this lesson plan for your class's needs. There are so many wonderful resources on Common Sense Education, and I urge everyone to take a look. My door is always open, and I'm happy to help out, come into class, or just talk information literacy with you. Happy searching!